जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 32nd श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, this battle is not something you invited or you arranged. It came so unsought. Arjuna, this is your profession as a Kshatriya. Fighting the battle is your profession. And if you take care of this profession very well, this itself becomes the means for you to attain eternal bliss. And only great fortunate people gets this kind of opportunities." Like this, Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to pay our attention in taking care of our profession very well. With having this teaching running in our thoughts, let us now repeat the sloka. Yadruchaya cha upapannam svargadvaram apavrutam sukhinah kshatriyah pardha labhante yuddhamidrusham. Om. Whatever the profession that we are engaged in, let us start regarding that profession is the result of our fortune. So to that extent, while regarding respecting our profession, let us do the perfect job, and also thinking that if we do our job perfectly, that itself will pave a path to eternal bliss. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, do every activity as my service, keep thinking that you are my belonging, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha." Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep doing all my activities as your service. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other rishis, saying that, oh rishis, when Dharmaraju was feeling so sad and sharing all his worries with Bhimasena, at that time Kapidhvajaha Arjuna came over there. But Arjuna is not looking any more happy. Dharmaraju is noticing that Arjuna kept his head downwards, adhovadanam abbindun srujantam. Arjuna is moving to tears. Then Arjuna came to Dharmaja and padayoho nipatitam, doing padabhivandanam, to doing namaskaram to Dharmaraju. At that time also Nayana Abjayoho, from Arjuna's eyes tears are rolling down. At that time, after seeing Arjuna's sadness and everything, Dharmaraju has taken Arjuna very close to him. Pallatilina ullamuto tallada paduchunna pinna tammunigani. Dharmaja has taken his brother Arjuna very close to him and started now inquiring all the things with Arjuna, saying that also Dharmaja is remembering the words spoken by Narada Maharshi some time back, that these are all the bad omens and these are all probably going to happen very soon. Those words are coming into the mind of Dharmaja and he is now asking Arjuna, while Dharmaja having so many people around him, he is asking Arjuna, how is Surasena doing, our grandfather? How is Vasudeva doing and his brothers, how are they doing? How are the spouses of all our uncles doing there? Oh Arjuna, how is spouses of Vasudeva doing? Oh Arjuna, Ugrasena, is he doing good? Balarama, Akrura, Jayanta, are they happy, Arjuna? Pradyumnaha Sukhamaste, is Pradyumna doing good? Arjuna, Aniruddhaha Vardhate, how is Aniruddha is doing? Sushena, Charudeshna, Samba, Rushabha, are they doing good, Arjuna? Shrutadeva, Uddhava, Nanda, Sunanda, how are they doing, Arjuna? Like this, Dharmaraju started inquiring about everyone back in Yadava Desham, in Dwaraka Nagaram. He is asking all these things with Arjuna. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 2nd chapter 32nd శ్లోక. యదృచ్ఛయా చ ఉపపన్నం స్వర్గద్వారం అపావృతం సుఖినః క్షత్రియాః పార్థ లభంతే యుద్ధమీదృశం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.